Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Quantower. And the first time when you are opening Quantower, don't get overwhelmed. If you haven't an account yet on Quantower, please use the link in my description to create yourselves an account. Then you support the channel and it's very easy from that link to create yourselves an account. So we are seeing right here the chart. And what we're going to do right now is we first go to here DX feed, and now we can connect right here the broker that we are using. So let's say we are using FX Pro. Then you scroll down and search right here for FX Pro. Now I already see him right here in this list. Then select FX Pro, select demo or real account, and then you do connect. And then right now we need to log in with or FX Pro details, and then you can use that broker to trade right here on Quantower. Then after that, what we're going to do right here is we have now the chart right here. But when you are here for the first time, please build your own chart. And we can do this right here. If you click on the cross and click here on the cross, you will see this bar. Then what we're going to do right here is select right here on the tower. And now you see here some options that we can use. So you will find right here some templates, some analytics, some trading, portfolio, informational, and MISC. So what we are going to do, first of all, is go to analytics and select chart. And then we select right here full screen. Then if you go back to the tower, you can create yourself some new fencers. So let's click right here on positions. Click on positions and then you will find right here your positions. And you can throw it where you want to have it. So decide for yourself where you want to put this. Then what you also need to know that if you go right here to Quantower, we can favorite right here the options that we can put in our screen. So let's say from now we want to favorite right here the price. Then we select here on the star. And now if you click right here on this, you see that we are seeing the chart of the price right here. So you can create yourself shortcuts here in the bar by clicking on favorites. Then after that, what you need to know that here on the left, we have some indicators. So you see here when your mouse standing on that, add indicator, and then right here, you can add indicators right here to the chart. So let's do this indicator, double click on it, then right here, and then we do this, set as default. And then right now we are having here the indicator. So this is how you can add an indicator right here on Quantower. Then if you go down, you see here that we are having more options. So right here, you can search. We have also right here some alerts that we can put on it. And this is the tool where we can draw and create some nice lines. So these are the four settings that you can use the most, in my opinion. So you can decide for yourself if you want to use that. Then after that, you can change right here the time of the chart. So decide for yourself what you want to do and which time you want to use. We can select right here the time frame. So you can do it on 20 days, or let's say you want to do it on 1 month, and then you see it right here. And you can change right here your chart type. So let's do bars, or let's do candles, or let's do high-low. You can decide for yourself what you want to do. Then we go to the right, the last part. And now if you click right here, you will see right here the order type list, or let's say the information that you need to have to create yourselves an order. So right here, you can click on the ask prices, bid price, or market prices, and then you can create yourself an order right here. Then after that, we click right here on this option here. And now we enabled right here the one-click trading. So if you click on this, we enable this, and then you see right here the buy and the sell position. And if you turn this off, it's done. Then right here, we have here the mouse trading. You can also enable that by just clicking on the mouse. Then right here, you can find yourselves right here the market volume. And then you will see it right here in the bottom. And if you click right here on this option, we can keyboard trading. So we can create ourselves hotkeys and then we can trade with our keyboard. So to be honest, this is exactly what you need to know right here on Quantower. If you have questions or stuff that you want to know, please comment it down below so I can help you out. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.